Weather forecaster Noah Gordon with the NewsLink Indiana weather. A look outside right now as we begin to head towards the end of September, and it certainly doesn't feel like it outside right now with those temperatures in the upper 80s, 86 in Muncie, 86 in Hartford City, 81 Richmond, the cool spot down in southeastern parts of east central Indiana right now. Tonight, though, going to be a mostly clear night across our region as we head out. 54 degrees with that north-northeast wind at about 5 miles an hour, making for just a little bit of a breeze if you're headed out on this Monday night. Tomorrow, very much a rinse and repeat of what we saw today with just a little bit cooler temperatures. 55 as you're headed out for those 8 a.m. classes, 76 by the time you get to lunchtime, and then 83 by the time you are driving home. Those northeast winds at about 5 to 10 miles an hour picking up in the afternoon to cool us off just a little bit from what we saw today. 91 today, one of the warmest late September days we've seen. And while I mentioned the weather is a little boring here, the Atlantic is not much the case right now. So we see 2 hurricanes here within about 200-300 miles of each other. This is Hurricane Humberto and this is Hurricane Imelda. Now, we previously thought this hurricane would go up near the Carolinas, but Humberto has actually caught up and catched Imelda and is going to drag both these systems out to sea away from the United States. So we're not going to see any relief from those dry patterns we've seen here for over the last week, and we're going to continue to see this week as we see this upper air chart, this omega block. We seem to keep repeating over and over again, staying in the Midwest and keeping us warm and dry. And no matter how far you go ahead, you see this ridging pattern continue into the end of the work week, keeping us dry, keeping us very, very warm as we head even into the weekend. And fall has remained quite warm. In fact, we have 19 days above average, 1 day at the normal temperature, and 8 days below average. So fall has started quite warm across east central Indiana. Dry, like I mentioned, only less than a ½ inch of rain here at Muncie through September 28th, more than likely going to end as the 4th driest September on record here for the city of Muncie. We see about 3 inches of rain through most of September as we head through this, so it's really been dry and it's really going to stay that way. Drought monitors staying the same. That rain really didn't put a lot of a dent in our drought. Most of us in that severe drought here as we zoom in. Northern halves of east central Indiana still in that 3 out of 5 level. Southern parts still in that 2 out of 5 moderate. So rain chances still looking pretty dry and remaining dry and full of sunshine through our 7-day forecast. 83 on Tuesday, 80 on Wednesday, 79 on Thursday, 83 on Saturday, and then remaining sunny and into the mid-80s as we head into the weekend. For more information, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and X at NLI Weather.